Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. Target SBI is just my YouTube channel name, but we are targeting all the bank exams.
Now we are going to see simplifications. First question. 14 2 by 7% means 1 by 7. 16 2 by 3 percentage, which is nothing but 1 by 6. 9 1 by 11%, which is nothing but 1 by 11 into 78078 equals to x square. First we'll do with 11 times. 11 7 times 0 times 9 8 times. Okay, here 7 1 times 0 times 7 1 times and 7 4 times. 6 1 time 6 time and 9 times. So 169 equals to x square. So x value will be 13. Answer is option E. Second question. Second question. It is 4 power 6 divided by we can write this as 4 square means 2 into 3, which will be 6. 4 by 6 divided by 4 by 6 cancels and we get 1 into 64. 64 is nothing but 64 square means 64 into 64. Here it is 4 power x plus 2 into 8 square, which is 64. This 64 and 64 cancels. So we left with 64 equals to 4 power x plus 2. 64 is nothing but 4 cube. 4x plus 2. So x value will be 1. Option A is our answer. Next, third question. 25 3 times 75 125 means 0 5 times plus 11 9 times and 8 times. This minus 81 comes this side with the plus 81. So 6 9 plus 5 14 18 484 equals to x square. X value will be 22. Option B is our answer. Next, fourth question. 15 plus 13 28 28 plus 21, which will be 49, and 8 plus 7 15 means 50.5 minus here 8 plus 4 12 12 plus 12 24, 9 plus 6 15 means 1.5, so 25.5. So 50.5 minus 25.5, which will be 25, equals to x divided by 13. Therefore x value will be 25 into 13. 13 5 times is 65. 13 2 times will be 26. 325. 325 is our answer. Option E. Fifth one. 19 square, which is nothing but 361. 14 square, 196. 21 square, 441. Okay, whole equals to 24 square. This plus 24 square comes this side with minus. 24 square will be 576. This is x divided by 100 into 1055. 5 20 times 5 2 1 1 times. Here 8 minus 6, which will be 2. 10 19 19 minus 7, which will be 12. Here 8 9 9 minus 5 4 422. We got 422 from this one. Therefore totally we have 422 equals to x into 221 211 plus 211 divided by 20. 211 2 times. Therefore x value will be 2 into 20 40. Answer is 40. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Here these roots are here, plus and plus means the roots are in negative, minus and plus here the roots are in positive. Now by comparing the roots, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Let's see this one. 4x square plus 9x minus 34. Wait a second, here it is minus at the end and here also minus at the end, so the roots will be minus and plus, and here plus and minus. By comparing these two, we get x greater than y and x lesser than y, so no relation can be established between these two. Next, third one. This is also plus and plus means the roots are in negative. Here the minus and plus means the roots are in positive. It is clear that x is lesser than y. Next, fourth one, x equals to x square equals to 441, which means x value will be plus 21 or minus 21. Here y cube value is 9261. Unit digit is 1, so 1. Leaving 3 digits 9. 2 cube will be 8. Okay. Y value is 21. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next, fifth question. X value will be square root under 1521 means 39. Y value is 1681. 1681 is nothing but 41. So by comparing these two, x is lesser than y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. In this series we got a minus, so we will see the differences. 119 minus 3. In these the difference is 122. Here the difference between these two is 9, 2, 7, 1. Okay, here the difference is 9, 6 and 1. Here the difference is 4, 4, 7, 2. Here the difference is 5, 2 and 2. So it is clear that it is 15 square, it is 14 cube, it is 13 square. It must be 12 cube, which is not this one, and it must be 11 square, which is not this one. So our wrong number is minus 3. Okay, next question. Here these numbers are slightly varying, so we go with differences. Here the difference is 26. Here the difference is 2, 5, 52. Here the difference is 301, 103. Here the difference is 902. Okay. Here the difference is 614. 26 becomes 52. 52 double times will be 104. 104 double times will be 208. 208 double will be 416. So these two numbers are wrong. So our wrong number is 274. Next one. Here it is plus 3 and it is plus 3. 19. 4 times is 76. So it must be into 4 times and it must be plus 3. So 1 plus 3 must be 4, not 3. 4 times will be 16. So our wrong number is 3. Next. Here the difference is 100. Here the difference is 10. Here the difference is 1. 10, 100, 10, 1. So the next one must be 0.1. Here the difference must be 0.01. So 7.9 minus 0.01, which will be 7.89, not 88. So wrong number is 7.88. Next question. Here these numbers are slightly varying, so we go with the differences. Here the difference is 0, 9, 90. Here the difference is 3 and 8. Here the difference is 9 and 7. Here the difference is 3 and 7. These numbers are prime numbers. Here the difference is 1 and 7. So these numbers are prime numbers, and this is not a prime number. So our wrong number is this one. These all are prime numbers. Now we are going to see missing number series. These numbers are slightly varying, so we go with differences. Here the difference is 25. Here the difference is 36. These are squares. Here the difference is 1 and 8, 81. So 5 square, 6 square. The next one must be 7 square, and the next one must be 8 square. This is 9 square. So 7 square must be 49. 482 plus 49, which will be 135, 531. So answer will be option B, 531. Second question. We'll see the differences here. Here the difference is 17. Here the difference is 18. Here the difference is 21. So it must be 19 and this must be 20. 98 plus 19, which will be 117. 117 is our answer, option A. Next, third question. Here we'll see the differences. Here the difference is Wait a second. Sum of these two will be this one. Let's see, sum of these two will be this one, means 89, 58 and 89 sum will be 147. So our answer is 89. Let's see, 89 plus 147, which will be 236. So 89 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next one, fourth question. Here we got 0.5. First decrease and then increased. So it is into half times. 16 half times will be 8. 8 plus 2. It is into 1 plus 3. Half becomes 1. 2 becomes 3. Okay. Next, 1.5 times. 13 1.5 times means 13 plus 6.5, which will be 19.5. We get 23.5 means plus 4. So 1.5 plus 4. The next one must be into 2 plus 5. 23.5 into 2 means 46, 47 and 5, 52. 52 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Next, this is into 1 times, this is into 2 times. 6 becomes 6, so unit digit must be 6 and 5. 576 becomes 9216, means it becomes into 16 times. So it must be into 4 times and it must be into 8 times. 18 4 times, which will be 72, is our answer. Option A. Now we are going to see inequalities. First question, the flow from O to P. From O there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from P to J. From P we can reach to Q. From Q we can reach to K but not to J. So second conclusion is false. Neither one nor two is answer. Second conclusion. Second question, the flow from D to F. From D we can reach to F, but there is equal to also in between them. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from D to B. From D we can reach to M. From M we can reach to B. So second conclusion is true. Next, third question, the flow from M to S with everywhere equal to also. From M we can reach to L. From L we cannot able to reach to S. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from O to B. From O we can reach to I only, but we cannot able to reach to B. So second conclusion is also false. Okay, next one, fourth question, the flow from U to Z. From U we can reach to W. From W we can reach to Z, but there is everywhere equal to also. So individually the first one is false. V equals to Z, it is also false, but V is nothing but U. So we have two conclusions which are both individually false, and the combined equations in between these two will be the flow from U to Z with everywhere equal to also. In our question it is clear that the flow is nothing but from U to W and from W to Z with everywhere equal to also. So this is either or case. Either 1 or 2 is the answer for question number 4. Next, fifth question, the flow from A to K. From A there is no flow. Here there is no flow, but here the flow from A to K is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from J to N. From J we can reach to A, from A we can reach to N. So second conclusion is true. We are going to see syllogisms. First question, almost sun is moon, which is nothing but some sun is moon. Only moon is star. So star is inside moon and doesn't share with anything except moon. A few moon is meteor means some moon is meteor. Only a few meteor is asteroid. Let's see conclusions. Some star can be meteor. Star and a meteor. Meteor star doesn't share with anything except moon. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, all moon can be asteroid. All moon can be placed inside asteroid. No, because star doesn't share with anything except moon. We cannot able to place in asteroid. So second conclusion will be false. Second question. Only a few file is folder. All folder is paper. Some board is paper. No board is card. Let's see conclusions. Some paper is not card. We check all paper can be placed inside card. All paper can be placed inside card. It is not possible. All case fails means some not case will be true. Second conclusion. All folder being board is possibility. All folder can be placed inside board. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So it is true. Next, third question. Only water is juice. So juice is placed inside water and doesn't share with anything except water. Only a few shake is water. Only a few shake is water. All shake is cream. Some milk is cream. Okay, let's see conclusions. First conclusion, all water can never means we check all water can be shake. All water can be placed inside shake. It is not possible because J doesn't share with anything except water. So first conclusion, all case fails. All case fails means all never case will be true. Second conclusion, no cream being water is a possibility. First we leave this part is a possibility side. No cream being water. Cream and water, it is sharing some part. So no case fails. No case fails means false and saying possibility. So it is possible. True. Next we are going to see fourth question. Only a few ghee is butter. All butter is oil. All cheese is oil. All cheese is mayonnaise. Let's see conclusions. Some mayonnaise is not ghee. We check all mayonnaise can be placed inside ghee. All mayonnaise can be placed inside ghee. Yes, it is possible. All case possible means some not case fails. Second conclusion. Some mayonnaise is oil. Here mayonnaise and oil is sharing some part. So it is true. Next, fifth question. All box is cupboard. Only rack is self. Okay, leave that side. Some box is not track. This is box. Some box is not rack. Only rack is self. So self is inside rack and doesn't share with anything except rack. Some cabinet is cupboard. This is cabinet. Let's see conclusions. Some rack is not cabinet means we check all rack can be placed inside cabinet. All rack can be placed inside a cabinet. It is not possible because here we have self which does not share anything except rack. So first conclusion, all case fails. All case fails means some not case will be true. Second conclusion, some cabinet is not box. We check all cabinet can be placed inside box. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will fails. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. 8 people are sitting around a circular table facing the center. Facing center and 8 persons in a circular. We take like this. Okay. Next, all are facing center. Okay. Only one person sit between T and R. Let's note them. T and R. Only one person sit between them. Rx is not an immediate neighbor of Sx. R and S does not be immediate persons. Okay. Next one is W sits opposite to R. W sits opposite to R. The number of people sitting between P and U. P and U when counted to the right of U, right side of U, is one less than the number of people sitting between V and P. V and P when counted from the left of V. Left of V. Next, only 2 people sit between S and V. 2 people sit between S and V. Tx sits fourth to the right of V. T sits fourth to the right of V. 1, 2, 3, right of V. Okay. Qx sits third to the right of Wx. W right side 1, 2, third one is Q. Okay. Now we need to solve this puzzle with the rough statements. First we are going to start with this one. Let's take T here and R here. And we have another possibility also. T can be placed here and R placed here. R is opposite to W, means here W, or this is the place for W. Next, we cannot place R and S together, so this is not the place for S. This is not the place for S. This is completed. This is also completed. Next, T is fourth to the right of V. Okay, so this is the place for V and this is the place for V. 1, 2, 3, fourth one is T. Okay, this is completed. Now S and V has in between 2 people. We cannot place S here, so this is the place for S. 1, 2 and S. We cannot place S here, so 1, 2, this is the place for S. This is also completed. W and Q. W right side 1, 2, third one is Q. 1, 2, this is the place for Q here. 1, 2, this is the place for Q. Now we left with P and U. We have this statement. If we place P here and U here, then we check this statement. V and P from the left of V. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1 means 3 between P and U. 1, 2, 3 between P and U. So this is true. So our puzzle solution is this one. Let's see the questions that are asked. First, wait a second. First question. Who sits third to the left of R? 1, 2, left of R. 1, 2, third one. U. First one answer is U. If W is related to S, W is related to S, left side. Px is related to R. P is related to our left side. Then who among the following is related to U? Means V left side must be U, means answer will be V. Second one answer is V. Third question. If all the persons are made to sit in alphabetical order from P in a clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means this one. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. There is no match here, and it is asked about how many people remains unchanged. None of them are unchanged places. Next, fourth question. How many people sit between S and U? Here it is S and it is U when counted from the right side of S. There is only one person sitting between U and S. Fourth one is 1.
Thanks for watching.